Brussels sprouts. You either love them or hate them. We love them. Our maple bacon roasted Brussels sprouts boast the vegetable's nutty flavor that is delectably complemented with big bacon savoriness, natural sweet maple syrup, a hint of tart apple cider vinegar, and a tongue-tantalizing punch of grainy mustard. What's not to love? We use a cast iron skillet to cook our Brussels sprouts because cast iron is king. Cast iron skillets can be easily and safely heated to high temperatures. Place your cast iron skillet in the oven and heat the oven to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. Remove the skillet from oven and pour the maple syrup sauce over the Brussels sprouts and bacon. Stir the sprouts until each one is scrumptiously coated. Serve it up. Your maple bacon roasted Brussels sprouts are ready for the table.